Anderson and Tatiana have been working with the Gardena team to find solutions to some of their biggest gardening and maintenance challenges.
So we've got the robotic mower installed out in the soccer field, keeping that area really well maintained. We also walked through our cutting products and lawn care products, just making sure that all the bushes and the lawn look really clean. And now I'd love to share with you some of our watering products, just to keep all the plants healthy and nourished.
So that means you have a solution for that mess of a hose I have?
I do, and it's actually right here to my side. This is our Gardena hose reel. This particular model comes in 50 feet or 66 feet lengths. We also have another model that can be mounted to the exterior of a house or a deck that goes all the way up to 115 feet.
Wow.
So that's perfect for covering any part of your yard that needs some additional watering.
How does that resist to the weather that we have in Florida?
Yeah, I know we've got that hot Florida sun right now. This is actually UV resistant.
Wow.
So it's gonna stand up year after year. It's not gonna deteriorate or anything just from being out in the sun. And it's actually backed by a 5-year warranty, so everything's gonna keep running year in and year out. And if you lived in a colder climate, the product is actually frost resistant as well, so you don't have to worry about things freezing if the temperature is gonna drop a little bit overnight.
Very interesting. This is the area that my sprinkler system doesn't reach. Do you have anything that could help me take care of this area?
Absolutely. Let's go ahead and grab the hose and head that way.
Sounds good.
So here we have our Gardena oscillating sprinkler, and thanks to its full adjustment capabilities, we can make sure that we're keeping water just on this area of the lawn where it needs it, and off your hedges and off your patio as well.
Let me guess, German technology.
Exactly. This product was made in Germany, along with several of our other sprinklers. It's backed by a 5-year warranty, and just like our hose box, it's UV and frost resistant.
Would this work with the well water?
It would, thanks to 2 systems. There's actually an integrated filter to keep any particles out of your water from entering the sprinkler. And also the nozzles where the water exits at the end of the sprinkler are rubber. So if you get a little bit of hard water buildup, all you need to do is drag your finger across and that'll flake right off. And I didn't even tell you the best part. Thanks to this original Gardena system water stop, the water's flowing through the hose right now. And as soon as I connect it through the sprinkler, you're gonna see things get going.
Wow, this is perfect. I believe I'm gonna need about 2 or 3 of those because I planted some new flowers for Tachi, and I will need something like this to be able to water the flowers.
Well, I have a great solution for you for the flowers, and we can actually just go ahead and grab this same hose and head over that way.
Perfect, let's do it.
So you had mentioned wanting to make sure that the flowers that you planted for Tatiana stay watered, and our Gardena 5-pattern nozzle is gonna be perfect for taking care of these plants.
Question, Adam, does this carry the same warranty as the other product?
Yes, so this nozzle also carries a 5-year warranty, and just like our other watering products, is made in Germany, UV resistant, frost resistant, and has a lot of those same other great features, like the nozzle that you can drag your finger across to clean it out for any type of hard water.
Perfect.
And thanks to our Gardena Quick Connect system, the water is flowing, so all we gotta do is click these things together, and you can get to watering.
Sounds great. Man, I love this Quick Connect.
Yeah, we actually do sell the Quick Connect system as a standalone accessory in both plastic and in metal, so you can easily take the Quick Connect system and use it with any existing hoses that you might already have.
So my front hose that I have, I could use that system?
Exactly. This will screw onto your hose, this will screw into any other nozzle you may already have as well, and then you have the convenience of just snapping everything together.
That is perfect.
And you know, if you don't feel like standing out in the hot sun to water these flowers, we've got a smaller sprinkler that we can fully adjust, and it'll be perfect for this bed. And it's also UV resistant, so it's not gonna be a problem out in the sun.
Awesome.
Oh my, I love my new flowers. Thank you.
You're welcome.
I'm so thankful that I was able to come and get you guys set up with the mower, the lawn tools, the watering tools. Your yard's just gonna look beautiful, and you can do it all yourself.
I know, that's even better.
Thanks very much.
Thank you, Adam.
Are you looking to maintain and beautify your garden effortlessly so that you're spending more time enjoying it? Visit us.gardena.com and learn more about their versatile line of high-quality watering tools.